Well, here it is, boys, the Womier K87. So I said that I would be getting this keyboard Monday, or Tuesday, but I actually got it Monday, and I recorded the unboxing that day, but I realized it was in portrait mode as to landscape, so I realized it was shit. So I'm doing it again. So here's the box. Simple keyboard with some print, with simple cardboard with some print. So let's get it open. And here it is. Little Womier paper. Here's the keyboard itself. Alright, so nothing else in the box, but we have a keycap and switch holder, and a little brush to make sure it doesn't get dusty. Here's the cable. I already cable managed it, so I'm not doing all that shit again. And the keyboard itself. And from first impressions, I can tell it's very high quality. Sounds very nice. These are the gateron red switches, so let's take one of the keycaps off so I can show you that. So in the actual review, which will come out later, I will go in more depth about everything about this keyboard, like keycaps, everything else, everything you need to know, I guess. I have to watch a few more videos to get inspired and know what I have to do. Hopefully it won't steal accidentally, but here are the gateron reds. Hope you can see that they're in fact gateron. These are in an off-brand. So let's go ahead and put the key back on. And I guess we should do a little sound test, and then I'll end out this video. So now I'll bring you a quick sound test of the gateron reds on the Womier K87. So yeah, it sounds pretty nice, pretty crisp. The switches, they feel even better than they sound. Sounds like it feels like typing on air almost. But this is my first mechanical keyboard, so this is the first time experiencing switches, so they feel really nice actually. So I would love to know what Cherry MX Reds feel like, but Gateron, they just feel, and they sound amazing. So I guess we should go through a few lighting effects. So you do function INS. I'm not sure what INS stands for. It's got this little breathing effect. Home. The ripple. Page up. This, I don't know what to call it. DEL. Not sure what that stands for, but it gives you the rainbow wave. End. Sparkle. And page down. It's just a wave of different colors, I guess. It is per key lighting, which I find great. There is an effect where you press the key and it lights for a second. I found it and I don't know where it went, so I'll have to watch another video for that. But go function del again. You can change directions of the wave. That goes the other way. And you can change colors, which is quite cool. You have a distinct color scheme with your setup. Got the rainbow wave again. There is a windmill fashion where the rainbow wave goes in a circle, which I find randomly time and time again, and it goes up too. I'm still learning about this keyboard, by the way, if you didn't know. So this was a quick unboxing and sound test and lighting effects. So if you guys want a review, I will do a review. I'll probably do it anyways, but thank you guys for watching. Comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Guys, I have a breakthrough. So if you press FN then home, it does that. You do it again. That. And one more time. It's the light thing. It's what I was telling you about. Randomly found, so I think it goes for other ones. Yep, page up has this pretty explosion thing. It's pretty cool. Not sure how it also defaults to a rainbow wave. And then DEL. It's got the rainbow wave. Press it again. I think this is the windmill. Again, I have no idea what the hell this is. And another rainbow wave. End. Got this. This. Oh, and then the up and down one, which is pretty cool. I really like the going down. I think I can make it go up though. I don't know. Then page down. Got this. I'm not sure what happened. I think it's actually doing a little breathing effect. And then this rainbow wave, where it goes from the center and goes out. I really like this. I love this keyboard so far. I love all the effects. It's great. I totally recommend it. For $87 on Amazon, $80 on Banggood, it's really nice. I love it. Feels great. It looks great. Per key lighting, never gets old. And so yeah, thank you guys for watching. Comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. I will put the link to this in the description. Banggood and Amazon. I don't know how to do like UK and every other Europe link, so sorry, but